I've been hard on myself for a while, trying to get everything right, counting every wrong turn like it meant something about me. I used to rush through the days, afraid to slow down or stay, but lately I'm learning that I don't need to run. Not every step has to prove something, not every silence needs a sound. I'm starting to hear myself better when I let my guard down. I'm learning to be gentle with myself, not pushing every feeling away. I don't need to earn my rest anymore, it's okay to take my time. I'm learning to be gentle with myself like I would with someone I love. I'm not fixing everything tonight, I'm just being enough. Some days still feel heavier, old habits don't disappear, but I talk to myself a little kinder when the doubts get near. I don't call it weakness now, when I need a slower pace. I'm finally on my own side and it feels like a safer place. I don't rush the healing, I don't force the change, I let things unfold at their own speed. I'm learning to be gentle with myself, letting go of who I thought I had to be. I don't know the world perfection, I just owe myself honesty. I'm learning to be gentle with myself. When the mirror feels too close, I remind myself I'm human, and that's already enough. Maybe this is what growing feels like, not louder, not more, just knowing when to stay and when to let go. I'm learning to be gentle with myself, and it's taking me somewhere new. Not faster, not higher, just closer to the truth. I'm learning to be gentle with myself, and for the first time it feels right. I don't need to have it all figured out, I'm okay just being here tonight.
Some days I don't get very far, just a few steps, then I stop. Nothing big to show for it, nothing crossed off the list. I used to think it wasn't enough if it didn't look like progress, but I'm starting to see it differently. Now I know better. Not every day needs momentum, not every move needs speed. Sometimes just showing up is all I really need. Little steps still count, even when they're quiet, even when nobody sees. I'm still moving somehow. Little steps still count, I don't have to rush it if I'm closer than before. That's enough for me. I don't always feel stronger, some doubts still stay around, but I'm learning not to turn back every time I slow down. There's something in the patience, something in staying kind to the version of me that's trying their best tonight. I don't measure where I should be by by someone else's pace. I just take the moment as it comes and give myself some space. Little steps still count when the road feels long. Even standing still for a while doesn't mean I'm wrong. Little steps still count. I remind myself I don't need a perfect run just to keep going. Maybe this is how it works. Not all at once, just a little bit of courage adding up over time. Little steps still count. I know that now. Every breath, every try, every time I don't give up. Little steps still count. And I'm okay with slow as long as I'm still moving. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to go. The lights outside are fading low. City sounds are moving slow. Clock says 2, I should be asleep, but my mind's not ready yet. Phone face down, room feels wide. Thoughts just wander where they like. I wasn't planning on this feeling, but here it is again. It's not heavy, it's not loud, just a quiet kind of pull. Like a name I don't say out loud, but somehow still feel close. It's 2 in the morning, and I'm thinking of you. Not in a lonely way, just the way you cross my mind. It's 2 in the morning, everything feels still. And without trying to, I'm smiling in the dark. Nothing happened, nothing new. No late calls, no bad news. Just the comfort of remembering how your voice sounds calm. Some people fade when days are done. Some stay when the world goes quiet. You're the kind of thought that doesn't ask for attention. I don't wonder where this goes. I don't ask it to be more. I just let the moment stay right where it is. It's 2 in the morning, and I'm thinking of you. Like a song I don't replay, but somehow always know. It's 2 in the morning, and I don't mind the time. If this is all it ever is, it still feels alright. Maybe tomorrow it'll fade with the daylight in my eyes. But right now it feels honest, and I let it pass me by. It's 2 in the morning, and I'm thinking of you. Not wishing, I hope, and just letting the feeling move. It's 2 in the morning, and I'm finally calm. If I fall asleep like this, I think I'll be fine. Thought I'd have it figured out by now. Some kind of sign, some solid ground. But the road keeps changing shape, and I'm learning how to stay Hey, I used to want clear directions, a straight line, something sure. Now I'm walking without answers, and it feels honest, it feels real. I don't always know where I'm headed, I don't always recognize who I've been, but I'm starting to trust the movement more than the place I'm in. I'm growing without a map, no lines telling me where to go, just listening to what feels right, one step at a time. Slow, I'm growing without a map, and somehow I'm okay. I don't need to see the whole picture, just enough for today. Some days feel like standing still, some days feel like a turn I didn't plan, but every version of me I've been led me to who I am. I don't call it lost anymore, I call it learning the view, finding my way through the quiet and letting myself change too. I don't measure progress by speed or by how clear it all looks, I measure it by how I feel when I stop and take a look. I'm growing without a map, without knowing how it ends, not chasing someone else's future, just staying close to myself. I'm growing without a map, letting go of who I was. If I'm still becoming something that's already enough, maybe the point was never knowing every turn before it came. Maybe growing means trusting I'll find my way again. I'm growing without a map, and I don't need one tonight. Every wrong turn taught me something, every pause showed me why. I'm growing without a map, and I finally understand. I'm not behind, I'm not missing, I'm just walking as I am.
It's quiet, lights are low, nothing moves, the air is slow. I should feel calm, I guess I do, but my thoughts don't get the cue. No one talking, nothing on, but my mind keeps going on. Every little word I said echoes louder in my head. It's funny how the silence can make everything feel clear, and all the things I never say are suddenly right here. Quiet rooms, loud thoughts, they don't wait their turn. Every calm moment has something underneath. Quiet rooms, loud thoughts, I let them come and go. I don't fight the noise tonight, I just let it flow. Day in parts, small mistakes, familiar stars. Nothing heavy, nothing wrong, just thoughts that stay a little long. I know they'll fade by morning light, they always do, they always might, but right now they want a voice, so I give them space, I make a choice. I don't need to solve it, I don't need to be okay. Sometimes all I need to do is let the feelings stay. Quiet rooms, loud thoughts, they tell me what I feel. Not everything needs answers, just something to be quiet rooms, loud thoughts, I know them better now. They don't scare me like before, I don't push them out. Quiet rooms, loud thoughts, they're part of who I am. In the stillness of this night, I finally understand.
I've seen days that didn't go my way, plans that slowly fell apart. I've learned not everything I hoped for was ever meant to start. Some things didn't turn out right, some answers never came, but I'm still standing where I am, and that counts for something, I guess. I don't expect the world to change, I don't need a perfect sign, I just keep a little space inside for something good to find me. I'm still believing in something good, not loud, not shiny, not brand new, just a quiet kind of light that shows up when it's time. I'm still believing in something good, even on the days I doubt. I don't need it all to make sense, I just believe it's out there now, yeah. I've learned to carry what I can and leave the rest behind. I don't fight the way things feel, I let them pass me by. Hope doesn't look the way it used to, it's softer than before, but it stays when everything else walks out the door. I don't chase a happy ending, I don't rush the truth, I just trust the small direction my heart keeps moving to. I'm still believing in something good in ways I never planned, maybe not the life I pictured, but something I can stand. I'm still believing in something good, even when I'm unsure. It's not blind faith, it's choosing to believe there's more. Maybe believing doesn't mean everything will be okay, maybe it just means I won't give up today. I'm still believing in something good, and that's enough for now. I don't need proof or promises, just this feeling holding out. I'm still believing in something good, quiet, steady, true. If it finds me when it's ready, I'll be here too. Yeah, yeah, ooh, Morning comes without a rush, light through the window, soft and hushed. Nothing waiting on my name, just another ordinary frame. I take a breath, I take my time, let the noise
used to look for something more, something loud, something sure. Now I notice what I missed in moments just like this. I'm finding peace in small moments, in the spaces in between. Nothing perfect, nothing golden, just a quiet kind of ease. I'm finding peace in small moments that don't ask me to explain. They don't promise me forever, they just make me feel okay. Afternoon moves slow and kind, sunlight dancing on the wall. I let go of what's not mine, I don't carry it at all. No big answers, no next step, just being here is enough. I don't need the day to shine to feel settled where I am. It's not happiness I chase, just a little breathing space where I don't have to pretend, and nothing needs to end. I'm finding peace in small moments, in the way the hours fall. Not everything needs meaning, not everything needs more. I'm finding peace in small moments when I slow my thoughts down. It's not a change in my whole life, just a soft release right now. Maybe peace was never loud, maybe it was always near. Waiting in the simple things I finally let myself feel. I'm finding peace in small moments, and it's changing how I see. Not the world, not the future, just this part of me. I'm finding peace in small moments, and I let them come and go. They don't stay forever, but they always let me know. Didn't end with broken words, no door slammed, no last defense. Just a quiet understanding that we were done trying to pretend. The room felt calm, the air was light, nothing heavy left to say. We both knew what this moment meant, even without the pain. It wasn't sudden, it wasn't cold, it didn't come with blame. Just two people standing still, letting something fade. It was a soft goodbye, no hard feelings left behind, just a gentle kind of ending at the right time. It was a soft goodbye, we didn't need to fight. Some things are meant to last forever, but they mattered in their time. I'll remember you the way you were, not the parts that didn't work, the laughs we shared, the quiet days, the lessons that still hurt. We didn't promise we'd stay the same or find our way back here. We just let the moment close itself without holding on to fear. I don't feel the need to rewrite, wonder what went wrong. Some stories end in silence and still feel strong. It was a soft goodbye, no anger, no regret, just two hearts choosing honesty over what we haven't met. It was a soft goodbye, and somehow that feels right. We didn't lose what we once had, we just gave it a good night. Maybe this is how it's meant to be. Not everything needs to break. Some endings leave the door unlocked and let the memory stay. It was a soft goodbye, and I'm okay with that. I don't carry what we couldn't be, I carry what we had. It was a soft goodbye, and I let it go with grace. Some things in the way they should, quietly in place. Morning light on the edge of the room. Coffee cooling way too soon. Nothing special on the list today, but somehow it all feels okay. Da 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 da. No rush, no pressure on my mind. I don't need to figure out life, just breathing in, letting go. That's all I really know. It feels easy while it plays. Let the hours drift away. No need to chase, no need to prove. I'm in a good kind of mood. It feels easy, calm and light. Everything just fits tonight. If this moment wants to stay, I'll let it play, I'll let it stay. Afternoon moves soft and slow. Thoughts pass by, I let them go. What I wanted, what I fear, feels less loud than it was before. I don't need all the answers now, I'm fine just being around. Some days don't need a plan, just a quiet place to stand. It feels easy while it plays. Let the worries fade away. No heavy thoughts, nothing to lose. I'm in a good kind of mood. It feels easy, warm inside. No reason left to rush the time. If this moment wants to stay, I'll let it play, I'll let it stay. If I slow down, I don't fall behind. If I pause, I'm still doing fine. Life doesn't ask me to run, it just says stay here a while. It feels easy while it plays, like the world's on airplane mode today. No expectations, nothing to prove, just a good, good mood. It feels easy, soft and true. Everything feels new but familiar too. If tomorrow comes my way, I'll deal with it another day.
Morning feels clear enough. Got things to do, no pressure up. I line them up, I take my time, no need to beat the clock today. Coffee warm, windows down, city moves, I move around around. I'm not rushing through the list, I'm just doing what makes sense. I don't need to push it harder, I don't need to prove a thing. When the rhythm feels it's balanced, I let the work come to me. Getting things done, no rush, keeping it light, keeping it smooth. I'm moving forward at my pace, and it's working, it's true. Getting things done, no rush, no stress in the way I move. I don't need to hurry today, I'm doing just fine as I do. Cross one off, then another, didn't notice time go by. Feels good when focus sticks, and I'm not trying too hard. Green lights, easy turns, miles past lessons learned. I found a speed I can keep that lets me finish strong. I don't compare my time, I don't chase someone else's lane. When the pace feels this natural, progress shows up anyway. Yeah. No rush, I like the way this day flows. Every small win adds up, and I'm good with where it goes. Getting things done, no rush, and energy that lasts all through. I don't need to sprint the whole way, just keep it moving smooth. Some days ask for more speed, some days ask me to breathe. Today just wants consistency, and I'm good with that. Getting things done, no rush, that's the pace I choose. I'm not late, I'm not early, I got nothing to lose. Getting things done, no rush, and it feels just right. I'll keep showing up like this all day, all night. Just right today, green lights lining up my way. Nothing heavy on my plate, just a clear head, steady pace. Coffee warm, plans in place, I don't feel the need to race. Every move feels easy now, like the timing's figured out. I'm not forcing anything, I'm just letting it unfold. When the rhythm feels this clean, everything's flowing right, like the pieces fell in line. I'm moving with the moment, and the moment's moving fine. Everything's flowing right, no friction, no rewind. I don't need to push the day, it's working out just fine. Crossing things off one by one, didn't notice time was gone. Feels good when focus sticks and the flow just doesn't quit. Windows down, sun on glass, thoughts are clear, the miles past. Nothing's pulling me apart, I'm right where I should start. I don't chase the perfect sound, I don't second guess the plan. I just keep the groove I found and let it carry me along. Everything's flowing right, yeah. Every step feels well timed. I'm not rushing, not behind, just in sync with my own life. Everything is flowing right, yeah. I can feel it in the drive. When the day moves like this, I let it ride. Some days fight back, some don't. Today just knows where to go. If progress feels this smooth, I'll keep it cool, keep it slow. everything's flowing right, and I like the way it goes. Nothing fancy, nothing forced, just a day that knows its role. Everything flowing right, from the start to the sign off time. If tomorrow feels the same, I'll take that vibe. Woke up with a quieter head, nothing waiting I should dread. The day feels open, nothing tight, just moving forward, feeling light. Got my coffee, got some space, I don't need to rush the pace. No big thoughts pulling me down, just here, just now. I don't replay yesterday, I don't worry what comes next. I let the moment hold itself, and that's enough. Nothing heavy on my mind, just a good pace, feeling fine. I'm not chasing, I'm not late, everything's in a decent place. Nothing heavy on my mind, let the hours pass me by. I don't need the day to shine, it already feels alright. Crossing streets, green lights glow, windows down, the city flows. Thoughts come and go like they should, nothing sticks and that feels good. I've learned how to keep it light, leave the weight outside tonight. If it doesn't need my time, I let it slide. I don't need a perfect run, I don't need to overdo. When the rhythm feels this calm, I stay right here. Nothing heavy on my mind, I like the way this moment right. No pressure, no rewind, just an easy kind of drive. Nothing heavy on my mind, I keep it simple, keep it clean. This is all the day brings, that's enough for me. Some days carry more than this, but today knows how to breathe. If calm is what I get right now, I'll take it gratefully. Nothing heavy on my mind, and I'm good with where I am. I don't need to push the line, just keep moving like I can. Nothing heavy on my mind, let the little things align. I'm not asking for much more, this light feeling's just fine. Morning's moving at a decent speed, not too fast, just what I need. Got a list, got time to breathe, I'm not racing the clock today. I've learned how to keep it clean, let the focus come naturally. I don't push, I don't stall, just staying present, that's all. I don't need to run ahead, I don't need to prove a thing. When the pace feels this balanced, I know I'm doing it right. Moving steady, no burnout, keeping it smooth all day. I don't have to push it harder to make progress my way. Moving steady, no burnout, energy that lasts. I'm building something I can keep, not just moving fast. Crossing things off one at a time, feels good when the rhythm's kind. I leave a little room to rest and still get to the finish finish line. Windows down, clear headspace. Miles roll by at an easy pace. Nothing pulling me apart. I'm moving with a steady heart. I've been on the edge before. Burned too bright, then hit the floor. Now I keep the lights just right, so I can go the distance. Moving steady, no burnout. I like the way this feels. No pressure, no overload, just momentum that's real. Moving steady, no burnout. Strong without the rush. I don't need to sprint the whole way. Just enough, just enough. Some days call for a little more. Some days ask me to slow. I listen to what the moment needs and let the balance grow. Moving steady, no burnout. That's the pace I choose. I'm not late, I'm not early. I've got nothing to lose. Moving steady, no burnout, and I'm good with the flow. If I keep it like this, I'll go far. I know. Morning moves at a steady pace. Traffic lights, familiar place. I don't feel the need to hurry. I got space to breathe today. Got a lot I want to do, but I'm not racing through the cloud. I'm just moving like I know I'll get there, step by step. I used to think I had to run just to keep myself ahead. Now I know the way I'm going doesn't need me feeling stressed. No rush, I'm still on time and everything's working out fine. I'm moving at the speed that fits and it feels right. No rush, I'm still on time, no pressure on my mind. I don't need to beat the day, I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Yeah. Crossing things off one by one feels good when the flows is clean. Not trying to do it all, just what makes sense to me. Window doors down, clear headspace, sunlight on the dashboard. I don't feel behind at all, I feel ready for what's next. I don't compare, I don't chase someone else's timeline. I trust the way my rhythm moves it steady, it's mine. No rush, I'm still on time, nothing slipping through the lines. I'm getting things done my way and I'm doing just fine. No rush, I'm still on time, let the moment do its thing. I don't need to speed it up to know I'm winning, yeah. Some days move fast, some days don't. Fluid day just knows where to go. If progress feels this smooth, I'll take it slow. truck window halfway down. City's moving, I'm moving now. Got a list, but I'm not stressed, just taking it one step at a time. Coffee warm, playlist right. Everything's in a decent light. Not chasing perfect, just today. And today's already on my side. I don't need a big breakthrough. I don't need a perfect plan. Just a little forward motion. And I'm good where I stand. Getting things done, feeling good. Moving at a pace that suits me. Nothing heavy on my mind. Everything's lining up smoothly. Getting things done, feeling good. No rush, but I'm not slowing down. Just doing what I need to do and enjoying it now. Yeah, but across one thing off, then another. Didn't notice time fly by. Feels nice when the day cooperates, and I'm actually on my side. No pressure to be someone else. No need to overthink it all. Just staying present, staying clear, letting momentum do its job. It's not about doing it all. It's about doing enough. When the rhythm feels this right, that's already a win to me. Getting things done, feeling good. Like the day knows what I need. Every little win adds up, and I'm right where I should be. Getting things done, feeling good. Windows down, lights turning green. I'm not chasing anything, I'm just moving clean. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Some days are loud, some days are slow. Today's just easy, let it go. If this is what progress feels like, I'll take it nice and steady. Getting things done, feeling good. I like the way this moment flows. Nothing fancy, nothing forced, just a day that works, you know. Getting things done, feeling good, and that's more than enough.